Hi, in this video we'll be doing some practice problems with our equilibrium constant Kc and Kq. So first let's practice writing the equilibrium expression, which we learned in honors. So let's do this real quick. 2H2O, 2 aqueous, forms equilibrium with 2H2O liquid plus O2 gas. What will Kc be? Well, Kc will be concentration of gas and aqueous products, which is only O2 over this, to the most power, which is 1 mole, divided by gas and aqueous reactants, which is H2O2, to the number of moles power, 2. And this 1 over here, we can simply remove it because anything to the first power is itself. And this is our expression for Kc. Next, we have 2 Pb S gas plus 3 O2 gas forms equilibrium with 2 PbOS plus 2 SO2 gas. Now what is the Kp? Kp will be partial pressure of the gas and aqueous products, which is only SO2 in this case, to the most power squared, because it's a solid over here and we do not care about that, divided by the partial pressure of all the gas and aqueous reactants to the mole power. So the pressure of PbS to the second power times the pressure of O2 to the third power. And that is our expression. That is our formula to find the K. Now, reminder, this big P over here stands for partial pressure, not phosphorus. Now let's do a practice problem incorporating this. So now I told you N2 gas plus 3H2 gas forms 2 NH3 gas. Concentration of N2 is equal to 0.13 m. Concentration of H2 is equal to 7.9 times 10 to the second power m. And concentration of NH3 is equal to 1.6 molar. Now find the equilibrium constant. Perfect. Kc is equal to NH3 squared divided by H2 cubed times N2, which is equal to 1.6 squared divided by 7.9 times 10 to the second power squared times 0.13 cubed. Sorry. Now we're plugging in our calculator. 1.6 squared that divided by 7.9 times e to the second power cubed times 0.13 gives us 3.99 times 10 to the negative 8th, and that's our Kc. Now finally, last problem said 2 ICl gas equilibrium with Cl2 gas plus I2 gas. Now I told you that the Kc is 0.1 at 25 degrees. And they also told you that the partial pressure for ICl is 0.5 atm, and the partial pressure for I2 is 0.4 atm. So what is the pressure for Cl2? So to do this, we first need to find partial pressure using our we first need to find Kp using our Kc. So we're going to use the formula Kp is equal to Kc times RT, the changing number of moles. Now, if you notice, the number of moles of gas on the right and the number of moles of gas on the left reacting side is the same. And when the number of moles is the same, this minus number of moles on the products minus the number of moles on the reactant will give you 0, and anything to the 0th power is 1. So Kp equals Kc, and Kp will be equal to 0.1 atmospheres. Now we can use Kp is equal to partial pressure of Cl2 times the partial pressure of I2 divided by the pressure of ICl squared. Now we just plug in numbers in. We're looking for x times 0.4 divided by 0.5 squared. So grab our calculator. 0.1 times 0.5 squared equals 0.025. Divide that by 0.4. and we should get an answer of pressure of Cl2 will equal to 0.0625 atmospheres. Thank you for watching.